Kings of Crunch, Series 9, 1989 Chevrolet S10, Thunder Chicken. The other trucks in this series is the 1970s Chevrolet K10 USA No. 1 Heritage, 1979 Ford F-250 Super Monster, 1979 Ford F-250 West Virginia Mountaineer, 1986 Chevrolet S10 Push and Stomp, and the 1996 Ford F-250 Bigfoot No. 7. Here comes Thunder Chicken up top of the cars. Let's just set him up there and take a closer look. Now back here on the back panel we get that chicken back here, and then I believe he's crushing cars or trucks, and we're going to take a closer look though. And then here is the name of the truck. There is some other little detail that is on the truck also. It's a very small to make out, but here's the front of the truck, and it's nice to have that motor popping out of the hood like that. That's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and turn it to the other side so you can take a look at it as well. Let's go ahead and bring this up closer. Hopefully it will come in view. There we go. We have like a mean chicken crushing cars, I believe, or trucks. It looks like eggs though, like crushing eggs. Eggs with wheels on it. Let's go ahead and put it to the back of the truck. Now on the tailgate, some design on the tailgate of Thunder Chicken, and a nice black covering for the bed of the truck. I believe that they captured this truck very well in this die-cast form on the Kings of Crunch series. This truck was popular on the TNT Monster Truck Challenge TV show. So thank you for tuning in.